guys, you're welcome once again. This is an update on how to check your BECE result, which is 2023. I did a video on the 10th, and what I have noticed is that most people are having some difficulties in accessing the platform. Yesterday, was on the 10th, the BECE website, that is the results checker website, was jammed and it wasn't working. So if you bought a voucher yesterday or you contact someone for him or her to check your results and the person couldn't, so that was the reason why the person couldn't send you your results. So now another thing that I have to say is that now with the first option here, you are to enter your index number. Please don't add the year of the examination. The index number, you have the first 10 digits and then it is being followed by 23. So don't add the 23. Okay, so if you add the 23, you won't be able to get it. So take note of that. And another thing is that for the voucher, the serial number and the pin, you can use it to access the platform for 3 times. Okay, so if you use it for 3 times, you can't use it again. Contact the number on the screen and your results will be sent to you through PDF. Okay, and so these are the things that you need to take note. Okay, if you click on verification, I'm not a robot and the system is not working and it tells you verification has expired, please don't do it again. Just take your time for about an hour or two before you do it again. If not, your voucher is going to be expired. And if you only need a voucher to just contact the number, you can also get a voucher, but the voucher is not going to be free. Thank you. See you.